Welcome to Thakur Talks. In today's video, we will discuss a very important document which is called as Technology Perspective Capability Roadmap TPCR 2025. Now you might be wondering why am I suddenly discussing this document है जो कि आर्म फोर्सेस इंडस्ट्री को एक डायरेक्शन देने के लिए प्रोवाइड करती है in giving them an idea of what's going to be the future procurements or what are the technologies which would be adopted by the armed forces in the next 10 to 15 years. As you might know that acquisition or procurement of various technology is a very detailed task, right? It takes a lot of time for the Indian Army and Indian Defense Forces as a whole to adopt any technology because there are procedures, there are various checks and balances which are needed before adopting any technology, because it's not the machine who controls the man, but it is the man who controls the machine. That is why now TPCR is not just a document published by the Indian Army. No, it is a universal document for all the armed forces that exist in India, whether it is Army, Navy or Air Force or even Coast Guard, right? ये वो डॉक्यूमेंट है जो कि वेरी डिटेल लेवल पे इसको स्ट्रेटिफाई भी करती है और इसको आउटलाइन भी करती है कि ईच इंडिविजुअल फोर्सेस विच विल रिक्वायर विच काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड उसके स्पेसिफिकेशंस भी प्रोवाइड करती है. रीजन दिस इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इंडिया इज ग्रोइंग, and when India is growing, the future Atmanirbhar Bharat needs to have a clear direction wherein they can invest their time, energy and resources. This document gets launched in every 15 years. It's not a document which comes in every year. No, it is a document which comes in every 15 years, and that is why every defense manufacturer of this country needs to invest his time and energy to read this document and make their plans strategically. All right, let's talk about the key facts of this document. 1. Total technologies about 500 plus. These are next generation technologies, not the current technologies. Number 2. Total indigenization target. This is very important. Approximately 90% of the technologies will be procured indigenously. Present rate is around 50%. So this is a very big opportunity for Indian defense startups and defense companies. Number 3, there is going to be an approx investment of 5 lakh crore rupees in the next 10 to 15 years on these technologies. Number 4, there are 416 innovation challenges. Number 5, there are technologies which are currently in development but will require a lot of time, such as quantum, such as AI, and etc. and many more. So please go through this document, understand how armed forces procure technologies, acquire technologies, and where you need to invest your time and money. Thank you for watching Thakur Talks. I hope you like, share and subscribe Thakur Talks for more insights on Indian defense. Jai Hind. Thank you for watching.